Welcome to the Grand Destino Tower as we take a room tour today. The tower is part of the Coronado Springs Resort area, and we're going to walk through a 2-queen water view room. And as we walk in the front door, we've got the bathroom right off to the left, double sink, stand-up shower. These are fairly new rooms. They've been around for about 3 or 4 years. We've got this great closet storage area. We've got the safe, ironing board, extra blankets, pillow in there, plenty of hangers. Now laundry is back at the resort, so if you needed to do laundry, you can send that in. And we've got, of course, our 2 queen beds. And if you look under, most all the rooms here on Disney are getting refurbished and the beds are lifted up, so you have great storage to slide those suitcases under. Ample USB port plugs throughout the room. And this, as I said, is a water view room, so you've got a great shot of the water. Three Bridges restaurant, if you can see, can't really tell at night, but there is way off in the distance, you can see Mount Everest, Expedition Everest over at Animal Kingdom. Now in a standard room, sometimes you get better shots and views of Epcot and Hollywood Studios. All rooms do have the small mini fridge. You can take a shelf out and get a half gallon of milk in there if you want. But that is a room tour of the Grand Destino Water View Room, 2 queens. There is this little area here too that has great storage for luggage also. Here, as we look around outside, we have a great view of the Coronado Springs Resort area. If you have access to all parts, we've got 3 Bridges, the sit-down restaurant and bar, as well as the dig site. The swimming pool area has great pyramid, hot tub, and playground. As you can see, here is a great overview of the whole resort area, including the Grand Destino Towers and the Coronado Springs Resort. Now, Grand Destino does have its own little bus area, but often on slow times, they will share buses with the rest of the resort. So sometimes, on occasion, you can get a full bus. As you also see, right next to the towers is the convention center. So often there are business meetings, big conferences that happen here. Here is some of the activities that happen on the grounds of the Coronado Springs Grand Destino Resort area. Often in the evenings there are movies under the stars and s'mores roasting, bunch of other activities that go on here at the resort. Let's head back inside. This is a walkway that will take you straight over to the Coronado Springs Resort main lobby and gift shop, as well as their little quick service area. Here is the bar area of the tower. You can come in the evenings, they'll have drinks, but in the mornings they also have coffees and teas, fresh pastries and juices and drinks. Heading back up to the main check-in area. We've got guest services, check-in, and the concierge. That is our tour of the Grand Destino Tower. Thanks for joining. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video.